Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Bharti and you are watching Beam Up channel. And this week we reached a milestone of 500 subscribers. So thank you for subscribing everyone. And let's get started with our project that I was making. So this was our project, that is La Casa Sommet. So I have already made one of the tutorial for this one. And let's get started with the second part. So you will find the link in the description for the day one file. And let's get started from there. So what we are going to do today is, first of all, let me select this one, and from the reference image let's just open it and let's check it out. So as you can see that this wall over here is coming on the downside of till this place. So let's try to make that one first of all. So I'm just giving it a offset of -2 feet, and yes, now it's fine. After this we have to make some door and window on this side. So as you can see, there's a 3 door over here, and I think there would be 5 door on this side. So 1 2 3 4 and maybe 5. Yes, so let's get started with that part also. So first of all, let me just make this part, and let me see one more thing. Okay, we will do that later. So let's get started with this part, that is the right. Just go to the right view, and here we need to apply storefront wall. Actually, you can either use your curtain wall or storefront wall. Okay, and give it a base constraint is okay, top constraint is ground level, first floor slab. Yes, okay. So just go to the ground level. After going to the ground level, just go to the wall. Here you can select any of the curtain walls. So I'm just selecting this storefront because we can change it by our liking. So just go to the duplicate and write it as window window storefront. Okay, and then here in layout, just select this fixed number, not fixed distance, fixed number. After selecting this, we also have to edit this mullion. So as you can see that there are this mullions as black, these are black in color, so we have to change that also. So let's try to change that. So for that we have to go to architecture, then mullions, and you can select any of these mullions. So for me, I'm going to select this 2.5 by 5. So just go to the edit type, go to duplicate, and here just write it as anodized black 2.5 cross 5 mullion. Okay, and then we have to provide it with anodized aluminum material. So just go to create new material, here rename it as anodized aluminum. Okay, and now you can just go to the asset library, second folder, and here you will find metals. Just go to the metals and then anodized black. So this is what we want. Okay, not this one, yes, this one. And you can, if you want to change the material type, you can also change it from here. So you have this option, then just go to apply. Okay, and now we have this anodized black mullion. So just go to the wall once again, go to storefront, and then just make this storefront. Okay, before making this, how many numbers we want in the front side? So let's just check this out. As you can see from the image, we have 1 2 and 3. So if we give 2 fixed number, then we will get this 3. I mean, we will get this middle portion, that as you can see from here, that we have this 2 of the borders on the side and 2 in the middle, that is vertical mullions. So we are going to provide it as 2 vertical mullions, so we will get it as 3 in numbers. So again, just go to this, and here you can just provide it with 2, and now you can just make it. And before making it, okay, let's just make it, and then I will tell you what we are going to do after that. So now if you go to the front view, and there's one more problem, as you can see from the image, just go to the realistic view. So first of all, we have not changed this material, so we have to change it. So for changing it, just go to the this window storefront again. So window storefront, go to edit type, and here you can directly change your this mullion. So here we require this anodized black material, so just copy it. Okay, this black anodized material, then you can just paste it everywhere. Okay, just copy it, and now we can paste it. And on the horizontal side, as you can see from the image, that we don't have this horizontal mullion is in between, we just have this border on the outer side. Okay, so we are just going to keep this border as anodized black, same material. If you want to increase the size of it, you can just duplicate your mullion and then change the size of it. I am going to keep it. And on the interior side, you just click on done, then it will give you an error that you have to delete this mullion. So just delete it, and now okay. And now if you go to 3D view, it will show you this cutting grid. So you have to remove, if you want to remove this cutting grid, first of all just unpin it and then add a remove segment and select this, delete it, select this, delete it, and I think there's one more. No, so now we are done with this part. So again, there's one more problem. As you can see that this wall goes underneath this flow. So for that you can just either use this attach top base, okay, or top or base, and delete element. And now as you can see that this part has been done. But over this place, as you can see that this wall is coming, I mean interfering with this window. So just go to this front, I mean side view, close this one, and then just make this wall a little bit smaller, remove constraint, and finish it. Now you can see that this window is clearly visible to us, and this is what we want right now. After this, we have to make this same thing over this place. And before doing that, there's one more thing that I want to tell you, that if you can remember that we made one of the project, that is the Luciano Cork, in which we use this double glass panel. So if you want to make this family by yourself, you can just prefer that Luciano Cork one, and I'm just going to insert it right now. So if you want to see how we made that one, you can watch it over there. And height offset for this floor, let us keep it at 0. Okay, selected, keep it at 0, so there's no gap left in between of this. So again, go to ground level, and okay, before going to the ground level, I just wanted to change this glass panels on the inner side. So to change this, we have two of the, I mean there's two way to change it. First of all, okay, there's one more thing, that this one has not been removed yet. Okay, now I've just clicked it, and then first of all unpin it, and you can click delete button on your keyboard to delete that after selecting that. So we just have to change this glazing panel. As you can see that there's just one of the panel, and if you want to change it, there's two way. First of all, this is to the first way, that is select this one, I mean hover your mouse over this one and then press tab on your keyboard, okay, and then select this glaze panel and unpin it. This is the first option. And before doing anything, we have to insert the panel that we want. So just go to the load family, and here go to the desktop, and you will find this double glass and open it. Okay, and now if you press tab and go to this glaze panel, and then we have this double glass panel, yes, this one, just select it. And now as you can see that this glass panel has been placed, but there's one more problem, that is we have to put this color as black. So again, select this one, go to edit family, and after going to edit family, select the panel, go to by category, and here also we have to make the same material. So again, go to this, rename it as anodized black. Okay, and now go to asset and asset library, and then metal, anodized black material. Where's that one? Over here. Just double click it, apply it, and press OK. And now we will have the same black color as we want. So just overwrite it, and this, it has not changed yet. Just a second, let me check it out once again. By category, okay, we just made that material, but where's that? Did I press cancel or escape? Okay, I don't remember. Okay, just try to make it once again, rename it one dot anodized black. Go to asset library, go to appearance, metal, and where's that, this one, apply it, and let's check it out. load into project, override existing version, and now it is fine. Yes, this is what we want right now. So as you can see that this is a little bit of thicker type of mullion over here. So if you want to provide it over this place also, you can do the same thing. So to do that one, okay, before doing that, let's just change it one by one, and in this part I will show you how to change it at once. Okay, so just select this panel and select this panel, unpin it, and now you can just change it directly at one time. So just select this double glass panel, and now we are done. So for this part we are done. So there's no door on this part, and there's door on this part actually. So from here, if I can show you, let me try. Yes, on this part there's a door in between. As you can see, this mullion is a little bit smaller. So we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, this part is also visible to us, so we don't have a wall on this side actually. So let me try to hide it. Okay, let me just go to the ground level and check this part actually. So we don't have this wall over here, then we don't have a wall over here also. Let me try to hide this one. Yes, but we have a wall over here. Maybe that wall is not coming up to this place, that has a smaller height, so we will just hide it for right now. Just select this one and press double H on your keyboard to hide it, and over here also you can just press double H on your keyboard to hide that wall. And now go to 3D view, and this is how it looks. But there's one more wall on this part. Let me check which is that wall. So we are already on the ground level. I can't find it. Let me try. Let's see. So this is one continuous wall. 1 2 3. Okay, we have something like 4 or 5 walls over here, but on this place there's nothing. On the back side also there's nothing. So maybe let me try to check it out from the other side. And if there's no wall, how come I've made this wall over here? Go to the ground level, select this one, hide this, and I can't find any of the wall over here actually. So this is one continuous wall, and we made that window over here. That is fine. So where's the wall that we cannot find in our project? So let me try. Select all, pin it, hide it. Just hide it by category. And now let me try to find that wall. No, I can't find it. Let me try to do something else over here. So let me just delete this wall actually. There's no wall over there. So I think this wall will come till this place, that is a boundary line. So now we have one continuous line over here. So for that, just go to the ground level once again, and on this place we are going to draw this same panel till here. So to do that, first of all just select it. Okay, and here you will find that your window storefront. Just go to edit type and just first of all duplicate it, then write its name as door storefront. Okay, door storefront, done. Okay, and over here fixed numbers, it's right. But over here, as I told you, first of all how we change that, by pressing tab on our keyboard, and now we are just changing this glaze panel directly. So to change it directly, just go to the curtain panel, and here you will find that double glass panel. Just apply it, and okay, and now if we make just as you can see, it is asking us for the number. So let's just count it once again. 1 2, let's try. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Maybe it is 7 in number, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, let's try to make it till here. Let me first make it as 4 in number, maybe. Yes, first of all let's just try to make it till here. So W not W Okay, WA is the wall shortcut. Yes, we can use that. Then here we need this is 14 number, so just select 3, and here instead of window just select your door and then make it till here, and let's see if it overlaps till that place. Yes, I think it's fine over here. Yes, this is what we want. So as you can see, we have this 4 in number, but there's one more problem with this storefront. So as you can see that this also changed to door storefront. We have to change it again back to window storefront. Yes, and we again have to select this one because of the door storefront. It just change its nature a little bit. Okay, let's just try to undo it, and again we will make that one. Select this one, go to edit. Okay, actually do not just select this one, go to ground level, go to the wall, and here in the wall just select this one, edit type, duplicate it, and now you can give it a name of door storefront. And now let's try to, okay, it's already there. Is it door storefront? Yes, and number is 4, and there's also the vertical side of it, so let's just check it. I mean these horizontal mullions over here, so this is like 7 feet distance, and here just go to the edit type. Here you will find the spacing between horizontal grids is 7 feet, just and there's just one of the uh, what we call it, mullions. Yes, so just one mullion on that place, so you can select it, apply it. Okay, and now go to the ground level and make this uh, mullion, that is wall, and now just make it till here, and now just try to check it out. So 1 2 3 4 5, this we have to reduce the number, so let's try 3, and yes, now we have it. And over here we need to provide a door. To provide a door, select this one, and then we have to insert a door actually. Okay, so first of all unpin it and try to find a door. If you have a door over here, you can just use it, and if you don't have a door, what you can do is go to architecture, and not in architecture, go to insert, then load family, and here you will find this PC, then C folder, then program data, Autodesk, RVT 2021, then libraries, and here you will find this in Imperial actually, but my Imperial folder is empty, so I have to use this English one. And here just go to the door, and in door you can select any of the door that has mullions provided over there. I mean this boundary line type of border provided in that one, so I'm just selecting this and open it. But as you can see that this, if I change it directly to that one, like I'm just changing this door, or let me select this one actually, this panel, just unpin it, and if I directly change it to this M curtain door, as you can see the door has been provided, but there's the problem, that is this panel is not aluminum black, so we have to change it. Go to edit type, and here also let's try to change it, and if you have anodized aluminum or anodized black, you can select it, and door handle is also a black color only. So yes, we just made it. Yes, this is fine. And over here also let's try to attach, I mean give the same door. So now we have this door in the middle of this, and if you want to change this panel on the top side, like this panel, just unpin it and change it back to the if I do it as storefront, it will give 4 of the mullions. So either you can make a new mullion, I mean new panel type, and then replace it, or let me try to replace it with the glaze panel actually. Where's that glaze panel? Okay, we don't have here. So Actually, if you want to change it, like this border are too thick over here, so what we can do is, glaze panel is not being shown over here. We can just use the glaze panel. Actually, I don't know if it is not going down over there. So over here there would be a glaze panel. If you select that glaze panel, it will directly change back to how it was. So it will just be here as a mullion over here. So because of the resolution, it is just giving me that problem. As you can see that there's something down there, if you can see, but I cannot move it. I mean, my mouse is not going there, so I cannot change it. So let's just leave it. Okay, let's just skip it, and let us do the same thing on the top floor. But our top floor, as you can see from here, that there's a setback provided on this place. Where's that? Yes, over here there's a setback over here, so we have to change that one also. So for that, just go to the first floor. Or first floor, as you can see that, first of all, just delete this wall, select this with the help of tab, and as you can see there's a one continuous wall. Let's just make it smaller. Okay, undo it. uh, Ground floor slab. Over here, as you can see that there's a wall, just delete this wall, and then first of all hide your what we call it, floor. Okay, double S to hide it. And where do we need to make that? Okay, not this one, a chart to get it back. First floor. Over here we need to make some changes. To make the changes, first of all hide this one, and hide this floor. So I've just hidden all the three floors. Then W is the wall shortcut. Over here you can actually choose this door wall, or what you can do is just select 4.5 inches wall and then make a wall from this place to this place first, and then over here also we have to do the same thing. So let's just see. Yes, so we have something like this over here. So we have to provide the door from this place to this place, then from here to here, and from here to here, and these are the sliding doors at this place, if you can see it from the images. Yes, these are the sliding doors. So again, go to the first floor and select this curtain wall. Where is that? Door storefront. We have to make some changes to this door storefront, and let me check, is there any of the horizontal mullion? No, there's no horizontal mullion. So we are going to select the window storefront, and then go to edit type, duplicate it, and write its name as top storefront. Top storefront. Okay, and okay, then we have to provide it with horizontal grid. Let's give it as fixed distance. Okay, and give a distance of more than 12 feet, so it will not hinder our mullions or our panel. And vertical layout is fine, fixed number, and we want to two of that. And here in Glaze Panel we can use the glass door panel, or we can directly use this M curtain wall. So I'm just using it directly, and let's just try it out first. So from here, okay, as you can see the number of grids is 4. We can change it later on. So first of all, just make your door, and as you can see 1 2 3 door, and if you go to 3D view you will find that there's so many doors over here. So just select this panel with the tab key, the whole panel, and just give it a number of 1. So now our panel has been divided in two parts, as you can see. And if you want to make it as a one part, so for that, again go to the first floor. So we have to make it as one part actually. Now select this one. Okay, let's try to undo it first. Go to that same wall that we made, go to edit type, and instead of fixed number, give it a fixed distance. Let's just do it as none. okay, and try it out. So from here to here I need a wall, and let's just check it out. Yes, this is what we want. So this is just one panel over here, and as you can see it is going out of this place. So for that, what we can do is we can just change this view. So as you can see, the first floor slab and top. So what is that actually? I just forgot why I did that. There's one floor only, so why I have done like two of the floor over there. Okay, so I don't know, I don't remember why I made that one, but over here let's just remove this top floor. Okay, let's just delete it, and over here it is like 33 feet. So from here 21, and here is 33. So let's just reduce it by 1 foot, like 32 feet. Let's try it. And now I can see that this wall is coming till this place, maybe. Yes, so if you want to attach this door with this flow, you can just go to edit boundary, then finish it, and you will get this option to attach your walls with this floor, and it will give you some errors. And now you can see that our door is placed over here at the place that we wanted. Then go to edit type, just make it smaller, finish it. Okay, done. And yes, this part is done. After this we have to make the same door over there also. So just go to the first floor once again, and then just go to the wall and make this wall from this place to this place, then again from here to here, then again from here till here. And now if you go to 3D view, you will find that this is what we wanted, but this walls are this doors are just going outside of this one, this floor. So actually, can we adjust that one directly? No, I don't think so. There's an option. So I can't find an option, so we can do it directly. Just select this one, go to edit type, finish it, and attach. And now if I can see it from here, this is something like that we wanted over here. So you can also apply that thicker mullion over this in that place. So that is also an option. So I think we are done with this part. Now what we have to do is we have to make this floor. As you can see, first of all, let's just hide this side part of this walls. Double S to hide this walls. Now as you can see that this floor is clearly visible to us in 3D view. So we have to provide it with first of all we have to provide it with a thicker floor. So here just select this floor and give it a size of 12 inches. Now as you can see that this is perfectly matching with this one. And there's one more thing, if you can see it from here, that this flow is still this place only, and this flow is coming till outside till here. Okay, so let's just do that one first. So the lower flow, let's just increase the height of that flow. Go to edit type, go to the front view. Okay, not go to the front view, actually to the top view, and increase the size of it till here. Finish it, attach, finish, delete elements, done. So now that this part is over here, select this one and again go to edit, and then you can go to the top. Okay, where's that? Okay, over here, go to the top view and then hidden lines. Okay, not in hidden lines, actually wireframe. And now you can just reduce the size of this one till here. So as you can see, it is showing us a constraint over here, so we are just going to keep it till this place, finish it. So it is like 1 foot this 1 foot distance from here, I think so. And hidden lines, let's skip it and then press HR. Okay, actually we don't need to press HR, I'm just undoing it. You can just hide all the walls. Then we have to create something like this. So what we can use over here is a sweep. Yes, so we are going to use this sweep all over this floor. So select this one and then go to architecture, go to component, model in place, go to the roof, and in roof you have to write its name as roof sweep or roof void sweep. So we are just going to provide it with the void over here. Void is like an empty area. Okay, so just go to the void sweep and then you have to select pick your path. So whatever path you want to select, so we have to make these changes on all these parts. That is why I just hide all those walls so that it can be clearly visible to us. As you can see, we have selected all the parts, but we have to make a small change to this one also. And what is that? First of all, let's just make those changes and then we will do it. So select this one, go to the top view, just unhide all the walls. HR is in the shortcut. Select this floor, wall, and go to edit type, and in edit type just make it till here. Remove constraint. After removing the constraint, just finish OK. Unjoined element, done. Then select this one, edit boundary, go to the top view and just try to make it smaller. So this flow is going to be just make it something like this and finish it. And always remember to save your project. Okay, it will give you always give you an pop-up. So now can I see and just a regular wall from this place to this place, and this floor is also matching to this one, and I don't think it is hindering this wall. Yes, now it is fine. So now you can hide your side walls. So I'm just hiding all this side walls and double S to hide it. Is there any wall left? Okay, no. So now you can select this floor, go to edit not to edit boundary actually, go to component, model in place, and here select roof. Okay, then here you can write just roof sweep, your roof void sweep. Okay, and now it will give you an option that is extrusion blend and all this. So just select this void form, and in void form let's select this void extrusion, no, not that one, void sweep actually, yes. And then pick path, select this path, select this path. So we have to just select every path that on which this extrusion has to be made. So this whole part, yes, done. Just finish it. After this, again go to this modify sweep, edit profile, and in edit profile we have to make the changes to this profile accordingly. So let's just check out how we have to make the changes. So as you can see that this is fine, but we have to make a smaller gap over here on this side. Okay, so on the top it is fine. So just make something like a curve over here. Okay, first of all let's just make a rectangle, something like this, 1 foot on the inner side. Okay, and then again make it like 1 foot 6 in. Okay, let's keep it at 1 foot actually. Then select this fillet and just give it a smaller fillet over here. Select this one, mirror it, no, make it a little bit more smaller. Okay, now mirror it from the middle, done. Then trim, select this one, trim this one, select this one, trim this one, and then we have to delete this one, then again try to trim it. Okay, undo it. SL is the split shortcut. Okay, now trim it, trim it, trim it, done. So now that we have trimmed it, delete it, and now we have something like this. And as you can know that we have to make a, okay, just a second. Okay, now actually this cannot be just an open loop. If you press OK, it will give you an error. So we have to create a closed loop over here. So just go to the pick lines and give it a distance of 1 inches, and just give it 1 inches from all the sides. Yes, done. And then just make a line over here and over here also. And now I think it is in a closed loop. Just finish it, and there's no line intersecting each other. Which line is intersecting? This line. So just trim this line, yes, and now try to finish it. And again, let's try to go to modify sweep and just finish it. Let's just finish it and finish model. It will give you again an error, that is this some void form of this family, do not cut. So we have to use this cut option also. So here you will find a cut option, select this one and then select your void, and now I think there's a cut made over here. Just finish it, and where's that cut? So I think this cut has been made, but it is on the inner side and it is not visible on the outer side actually. So let's just try to edit boundary. Okay, I have to edit this sweep once again. Go to this, press tab, select this one, press tab, press tab. Okay, now as you can see, after placing tab, edit in place option, and just select this sweep once again, edit sweep, go to the front view. Okay, then zoom it, and let's try to edit this sweep once again. Select this sweep, select this one over here, create no, select this one, no, void, edit profile, and now just try to make this on the outer side. Okay, and if we are trying to make it this one on the outer side, okay, let's just do this something like this actually. Unjoint element, undo it, select this, let's try to move it, unjoint element, move it on the outer side actually, and move this one also on the outer side, or just select it and mirror it like this. Okay, we cannot do this like directly. Okay, so let's just try to mirror this whole part from the middle to that part. Yes, done. Trim it from here, then select your line and make it like a straight line, delete this part, and now I think that they over there's something overlapping. So we have just created this gap from the starting point to the ending point, and two lines cannot intersect each other. I don't know which line it is talking about, so let's just try to make it once again like something like this, from here to here in one line. Finish it, and then again let's try to go to modify sweep and finish it, and let's just cut this geometry, cut, select, cut, finish. So now we have something like this. This is what it was required over here. So as you can see, this is how it is, and if you want to reduce or increase the size of this one, you can do that by yourself. So now that this floor is done, as you can see, it has been done on the all the other side. So just press HR and now you will get this. Yes, so this is what we wanted. After this, what else do we need to create in this project? Let's just go to the realistic view once again, and as you can see that this color looks boring, so let me just provide it with a white color material for now. We will change it later on. Okay, just select any of the polyvinyl or this plastic laminate ivory, anything. And as you can see that this white color has been provided to that one again, so I'm just doing it so that our project doesn't look boring. You can also provide this gypsum, so gypsum is better. Yes, select this one again, provide gypsum to this one also, and gypsum wall board, we will change it later on, remember that. And for the floor also you can do the same changes, and over here 9 inches wall, let's just keep it, and we have to make a wall, I mean the door over here and over here. So for that, again go to the first floor, go to the wall, and in wall you will this find this top storefront, and then there's a door storefront that we made for this ground floor. Again go to the ground floor, and now W is the wall shortcut. Just make a wall from, where is our kitchen, where is our kitchen, this is our living room. Okay, I don't know. So is there a wall in between? Yes, over here there's a wall, so we have to start it from here. So there's a wall gap, okay, and end it till here. Now just change the number of it. So from here to here we just need this as 2 in number or 1. Yes, and now as you can see that we have this long door type, and here we can apply this door. So in this panel, just let me see. So always remember to see it from the reference image, whatever we have over here. So we just have this curtain wall over here and nothing at this place, so we are just going to replace this one as a door. So unpin it, go to this place, and here you will find M content door, and now you can see that the door has been provided at this place, the door was provided over there, so we don't need to do anything at this place, and let's skip it. And if you think that you should provide a door over here, you can just select it and unpin it and then provide the door. That is M double curtain wall double storefront. Okay, and now we have our door over here, and here you can press the spacebar if you see a white line over here. So just press the spacebar and you will see that everything is fine over here. So now that we are done with this part, what else do we need? We just have 1 and 2 door, and here we have made like 1 2 3 4 actually. So let's try to make it 2, not 1 2. Yes, now it has been changed to 2 1 2 3. Now it is fine. Just select this one, and you can just remove this door if you want to, and if you don't, just keep it. Then we have to make the what we call it, inner columns. Okay, we can do it that later. Let's just check it out that what else is left on the visual part. So we actually have to make this column, so we will make this as a family later on, because this has been used all over here on the inner side actually, so we have to make that. And let me check the time. So it's already been 44 minutes, so we are done with the ground floor door part and top floor door part. And over here, let me see if we have something like, okay, the railing. We can use the glass railing. If I can remember that glass railing, we can make this as a family also. Okay, let me see if I provide the glass railing on the first floor. Go to the first floor. Let me check one more thing first. This part is done. This is okay. Okay, just go to the top floor, and that is first floor. Where is the slab? Press HR on your keyboard to get the slab, and just hide the down, this down slab. Press double H on your keyboard to hide that one. Now we have just one of our slab, and if you want to change the orientation of this door, just press space bar. Maybe this should be on the inner side. Okay, here you can see a button. You can just change it on the inner side or on the outer side. Let me check if it has been provided in manner that we wanted. Yes. So is there a gap left over here? Yes, there's a gap, little bit. So just go to edit, not in editing place, actually select this flow, go to edit type, go to the first flow and make it something like this and finish it. Okay, just try to finish it. Okay, we cannot do the changes after providing it with a sweep. So what else we can do? We can reduce the size of this one actually. Go to the top, make it smaller, delete element, and select this one, then go to the first flow. We have to edit it a little bit, so let's just select it, delete it. If we can delete it. No, we cannot. So we can reduce the size of it, like from this point we have this is the degree over here. So let's just go to this and pin it. We cannot delete it. So what other option we have? Okay, unpin it also. Now you can delete it. Yes, so just unpin everything. Yes, now we have just this wall. We just need to edit that wall. So that wall is coming to the outer side. Keep it on the inner side. Now just go to the wall once again and go restore front. Go to the window storefront. Where is that window storefront? Window. Okay, not in the window storefront. Actually, we made a door for that one. Just select this wall and press CS on your keyboard to create similar. Select this one, CS, and now you can create this over from this place to little bit on the inner side to this place. And now just go to 3D view, select this one, edit type, finish it, and it will get attached to the top floor. And okay, edit, finish, attach, delete elements, done. So now we are done with this part. What this flow we have to change it a little bit. So we will change that. Before that, we have to make this railing over here, and this wall is coming outside actually. So actually this one also from the top also it is coming a little bit outside, so we can keep it till here maybe. Yes, till there. Finish it, attach it, done. Then on this side also we have to increase the size of this one till let me see. Yes, till here. Finish it. Now it is done, and keep it a little bit on the outer side so that it does not hinder with our wall. And now everything is fine. So we just have to make the railing. Go to the first floor and architecture, and here you will find the railing. In railing you have two options, that is sketch path and place on the stair ramp. So right now we are just need the sketch path option, and here you will find 2 to 3 options. So here we are going to use this bottom fill glass panel. As you can see, these are the glass panel. We can also make it by what we say that, I just forgot. Okay, the mullions. Yes, so you can also make it by the mullions, with the help of mullions. So let's try it first, and then if I'm not satisfied, we will make it through mullions. So from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and then till this place maybe. Finish it. Finish. So railing must be in a connected sketch. Yes, it is in a connected sketch. Okay, over here we do not have this sketch, so just make it something like this. And if you want to provide it with offset, for in this case there's a little bit of offset, so you can just use pick lines, then give it an offset of like 1 feet, and okay, give it an offset of actually 9 inches. And now we are just making it on the inner side, and just delete the outer side. There's the outer railings, you can delete it and make this railing a little bit smaller, like till here. Finish it. And why is it giving us an error right now? The railing must be in a single sketch line. Now it okay, here also there's a problem, so just trim it out. So TI is the trim shortcut. Now finish it. And now you can see that if you go to 3D view, there is this glass bottom panel railing. So we can actually make the changes directly to this railing. So just go to edit type, duplicate it, and after duplicating it, write its name as top rail. Okay, and now go to the structure, and here we need 1 and 2. So just 2 railing, one at like 3 inches and one at the top side. Okay, and here we just have to change this to, either you can go to anodized black or iron ductile. So I'm just choosing this black one only, and then apply it. Okay, and now we do have something like this, and we don't need a top rail over here. So here you can just remove this top rail. Finish it. Okay, now the top rail has been removed, and okay, can we change this glass panel level? Let's try to change it. Balusters, no. Top rail, handrail, rail structure, let's try. And is that on the top? I can see that it is something like circular one. So go to handrail and just select this 1 inch, or maybe if we have something bigger, that is 1.5 inch. Yes, this one. Let's try to apply it. Apply. Okay, and on the top, yes, this is what we wanted. Then this glass panel, I have to change the height of this panel actually. So baluster placement, let's try it. And baluster is okay. Glass panel is at 2 feet 8 inches. Base offset is like 4 inches. We can increase it till 6 inches. Okay, so we will get a 2 inches gap from the bottom side, and let's try to apply it. And okay, and now yes, this is what we required. And then this glass rail is a little bit longer, so select this one, go to edit type, and let's try to change that different size of what do we call that, I just forgot the name. So this is fine. We have to change the railing size. It's actually balusters is fine. 6 inches, 6 inches is fine, but distance from previous, like let's try to give it a 3 feet distance pattern, and also 3 feet. Okay, what it was earlier, let me just remember that. 1 feet 1 feet 4 inches. Let's try to keep it at 3 feet, and pattern end is also at 1 feet 4 inches. Let's try to give it at 3 feet, Then balusters, let's first just try this one. And as you can see that these are the changes that has been made. So select this panel again, go to edit type, not this one, select this, edit type, and where's that glass 2 feet 8 inches, base offset is fine, top offset is fine, everything is fine. So 3 feet is little too longer for that. We have to keep it at 1 feet 4 inches for the average size that has been provided by this. So I will try to edit it afterwards and then see the results, and then we will make the changes to this accordingly. So let's try to keep it right now like this only. So we just have to change the material of this. So to change that material, go to balusters. Here you can find this 3x4 square. Okay, we have to change this 3x4 square also. So where I can find that baluster? Where's that baluster? Okay, we cannot change it directly from here. So to change the baluster family, I have to go to their family, and let's try to find the railing, then baluster. Then we are using it as 3.3 feet 4, I mean 3 by 4 inches. Just duplicate it, rename it as 3 by 4 black, rename it black. And then we have to use the type properties by category, and here you can just select this anodized black material. Okay, and now select this one, go to edit type. Here you can again go to baluster, and here you will find that black that we made right now. And now it has not been changed to black, so I think that is not as baluster over there. Okay, 3 by 4 black. Let's try to apply this one, and now it is fine. Yes, so as you can see, this is 2 feet 8 inches. Let's try to change it like 0 0 0. Glass panel is fine. 6 inches offset, rail 1, rail 2, distance from the previous. Let's try to change the distance from the previous is like 3 feet. Let me try to do it once, and if it is fine then okay, but distance is okay. I cannot change the size of this glass, so let's try to change the distance of this glass also. 2 feet 8 inches, and from the bottom side, top offset is fine. Distance from the previous 0. Let's try to apply it. No. Distance from the previous, let's keep it 0. Okay, just undo it. Let's just keep this one railing right now, and we will change it later on, because I have to check it how to change it. Actually, I cannot find the way to change this glass, or we can make our own railing as a family, then we can apply it. That is also an option. So let me check the time first. So it's already 1 hour mark. So now we'll just see what else do we need, I mean we require to make over here. So we have to make a few columns, a door on this side, then where's that image? Okay, from here we don't require to make anything. We just have to make this portion, that is ventilation portion or maybe something of that type, I don't know. And over here we have the same railing coming from this place to this place. Okay, so let's just try to make a column over that place on the inner side of it. So for a circular column, let me see if we have a circular column in column architecture. Just go to this and English, where's that column or structural column, and here I can find this round column. Open it. Let's try to edit this column. Go to edit type, and in material we just select this again, this black material only. So we are using this black material a little too much. So again go to the ground level and then go to the column structure. Okay, not this one. Let's try to go to column and column architecture. Maybe there's a round column. Yes, we have this round column, and just select the size of this column. Let's just, yes, I think this 305 millimeter is fine for this place. So where do we need to provide this column is one over here, one over here, one I think at this place, or maybe let me see. So this column is like a hidden column, so let's just try to provide it over here also, so that there's no gap left between this column and this wall. Also add profile, no, not to add profile. Select this one, go to 3D view. Where's that wall? This wall. Okay, we can make it a little bit smaller. You have to hide this front door. Select this wall, 4.5 inches wall. You can just go to edit type. Okay, go to the front view, and from here we can just change it like this. Remove constraint, finish it, and then press HR on your keyboard to get everything back. Again go to the ground level, and CL is the column shortcut. And okay, this is not for architectural column, so go to architectural column and then provide a column in between this door, then over here also, then we have to provide a column something like in over here somewhere. Let's see. So column placement has not been provided in the reference images. Let's try to put it over here so we can also figure it out that where is that place. Go to 3D view once again. Yes, this is exactly at the place that was required. Go to edit type, go to by category, and in category just change it to anodized black once again, and now it is fine. Yes, now as you can see, this all column has been hidden underneath this doors, and everything is fine. So we could have made the family of this column, but now we don't require to make that family. And now I think we are done with today's part, so let's just end this session for today, and I will come back again tomorrow. So now I will try to post my videos regularly. And after this project, I think that I should make a high-rise building project. So after this we will try to make a high-rise building, then we will go to the structural part maybe. So one by one we will do everything. And over this part, let me just try to increase the size of this wall from here to here, remove constraint, and just make it a little bit smaller, finish it, done. So this is how this part looks. And now we have this column part on the top. Also we do require to provide the column over there, so just go to the first floor and then go to architectural column, and then just provide your column, that is this round column, and this is from the first floor slab, or we can just leave it. So for first floor, if we provide it, it will be hidden underneath this one. So actually it is not visible on the top. Okay, just make it. Go to the column architecture. Let's try to provide it over where? Actually over here. Let's try to provide it over here, over here, and over here. Go to 3D view, and now actually the gate is covered with that one already. Okay, just undo it so that our door is not covered. Let's just keep it the way it is right now. Let's check the other side. Okay, this is also coming on the other side only, so we have to increase the size of this wall also. Just go to edit type and keep it till here, finish it. Then we have to reduce the size of this. Okay, we can keep it also, or you can reduce this if you want. So I'm gonna keep it, and now I think that we are done with the today's part of the video. So thank you for watching, and tomorrow we will also continue this. So I think there's 3 to 4 part more left to be covered for this particular project. And let me provide one of the material over here, that is gypsum wallboard. Yes, gypsum wallboard, and okay, and okay, and okay, and now I think it is done. Yes, and this also we can provide the same material. So just select this one, go to edit type, edit, and gypsum wallboard, copy it, then okay, select this one, edit type, edit, and here also provide gypsum wallboard and finish it. And now we are done. So let's just keep it like this for now. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the more videos, I mean the upcoming videos. So, and one more thing, we have to increase the size of this. We will do it in the next tutorial. So I'm just finishing it, signing off.